You on camera.
Is the transit piece too?
You on camera. Yeah, I'm recording your camera. Oh my god.
That's not what we do.
We got birds in here.
No, that's a...
Oh, come over.
Who brought the,
Hmm?
Can you pop or something?
Yeah, I get it.
What's the gift? Oh, it's a straight 6. Fucking A.
You like that?
Yeah, because they're reliable. They're 4.0 engine right here. This is reliable as fuck.
Go crazy. that's amazing. Yeah, mine looks nothing like that. This little stupid storage.
Look at this one has that yours doesn't.
Oh, the light in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed that. Mine has on the sides.
They made improvements to this next year, you know?
Yeah. And to look up like how to replace this because I want to get a new one. Mine. Hmm? Yeah. Oh, mine don't have it. I wonder if I can get them put on.
Yeah.
Probably break off. You don't have that voice recorder that mine does, though.
No, this is like a base model.
Yeah. I still whip it like a nice car. Hey! At least you have full gas in it. Mine's missing that top piece right there. Hey! That little latch. Yeah. Oh, the light's lit. Oh, what's the sound? Oh, I got AC. Lucky. Off. The bottom one. All right, now they're on. Mine's missing those. Oh, this is so cold. Is mine cold? But mine's like... Yeah, oh, yeah, mine's hot.
But look at oil gauge isn't working, gas not working.
Yeah.
Could be a fuse.
Or the cluster has bad motors. It drives about 3 inches. I think this one sounds a little bit better.
This one's got more mileage.
Yeah.
Oh, well, no, actually, this got less mileage.
Does it?
Yeah, because it got out of, it's a replaced engine.
Damn. Might make a rebase of this song, so keep a lookout for that. What's up, everybody? Rachel here. Welcome to part 2 of trying to restore this TrailBlazer here. So you can already tell in the front, it looks a little different. Obviously the first thing you'll see is the car seats here. I finally got covers for them because this thing was all torn up. I am gonna eventually replace the seats in here with the non-leather ones because I fucking hate leather with a passion. If you like leather, cool for you, but I just cannot do it, especially in the summer heat. So I do plan on at least replacing the 2 front seats with non-leather ones, but for right now, this stupid seat cover that I have to use to cover it, that also shocks me every time I touch the door. It hurts even when I slap it like really hard. It still hurts as if I like touched a wall outlet. It's fucking stupid. But ignore the guitar back there. That's not mine. I don't play guitar, but yeah, all the seats in the back, I do eventually want to replace them. I might take the ones in the back, like the 3rd row out. I might, just for a little bit more room in there. Maybe I should probably focus the camera. There we go. I'm leaning on not doing that, but if I have to, I will. Just so I have a lot more space back there. But again, I can always just put these seats down and put whatever I need to back there, no problem. And also they do go down anyway, so no big deal. So yeah, another thing I did was I replaced the LEDs on that side and this side. I only replaced them in this one for right now because it's the only one that I was able to buy. It was like $16 for just these 2. So just for now, I went ahead and replaced them with those. Just see how it is. And I gotta say, it makes the vehicle actually look newer than it is. So it actually definitely helped. I cleaned it all up last night. I cleaned up the dash and everything. I scrubbed the doors down. I scrubbed the whole outside of the car. All I can say is that I had a really bright green microfiber cloth. Let's just say that thing was like, it was dark lime green. It was like barely green. It was gone. Also got the Sonic figure still up here. Got my boy. Anyway, so by the way, if running hot stuck that down, I just glued it down. So I mean, yeah, this is basically a sale right here. But anyway, so in this video, what I want to do is I want to actually come back here and work on this. I have to do this without showing my license plate. The back window does not latch, which is why it's taped. So I want to see if I can fix that. And in the later video, I want to go ahead and get a new top piece right here because my uncle said he replaced the back window. The back window got shattered. Don't ask me how. But the back window was shattered. He replaced it, and he tried replacing this top piece here, and as he was driving, it just flew off. So that needs to be replaced. This apple sticker needs to be removed since I got one right there, which I originally was gonna put it there. I put it there as a joke, and then my uncle said I could have the car after I did that. So if you guys want a free car, just put an apple sticker on the car or whatever. I don't know, or a Sonic sticker. I don't care. You do whatever you want, but I'm just messing around. But anyway, so this back window here, the problem with it is that it will not latch, and I actually figured out the problem why. The reason why it won't latch is I'll show you real quick, is that the latch is broken. It will not, like, look at that. Look at that. That's probably why it won't latch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can get this back cover off. It's gonna be kind of awkward to work on this, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this cover off real quick, and let's get started with getting this back glass fixed here. And also, I think I could probably, no, it looks like there's a bit of metal there. I could probably just resolder this back on. I just gotta like use lots of solder, but yeah, there's proof that it was broken. The other one I think is fine. Yeah, it looks like it's fine. So just gotta work on this here. This I probably will work off camera since I have to use a lot of solder on that, and just probably a lot of glue as well. Just make sure that doesn't go anywhere. Probably should put a bit of glue in. Oh, it is soldered on there, as you can tell. Let me zoom in on that to get better detail, but we'll make it work, right? That's the thing in life, you just work with what you got. But me, I'm a little different. Not only I work with what I got, but I make the best of it as well, and I'm pretty proud of that. Anyways, let's get this back window fixed. I just noticed all this rust. Unless I can sand that down, I might just replace this whole back door. No, my Sonic sticker though. We'll go ahead. I should go to Walmart and buy me more Gorilla Tape just in case this doesn't work. But God, that's on there good. It's been on there for I think about like a month. The reason why I put this on here is because the last amp that was in here got water damaged, because the back window broke and he put a bag over it, but water still got in, and it, long story short, it literally messed up this whole radio. Well, the radio was fine, but the little GM OnStar box that controls the radio stopped working, so I had to replace that because that thing was draining the battery in this car. So I placed it with a Walmart one, but the problem with that one is that it says it had steering wheel controls on it. I took it out, there was not one connector for it. And it said online, and there's even reviews of people saying it did. And it's the same exact model, so Scotia, you guys are hella damn sketchy. Oh, this is like chewing gum. Oh God. Y'all don't know how hard I'm pulling this. Today we actually were driving around. We were coming back from Knoxville, and we saw like this parking lot like full of like used broken down cars and all that, and they were actually selling them. And we found the exact same TrailBlazer I got, but 2005 model, and it has like this fender on the side. It was aftermarket. Well, I guess maybe I could put sound down around it, it'll make it better, but I knocked on it, it sounded like tinfoil. So I do want to replace the fenders on mine. Okay, let me get this off here. I'm not going to waste all my storage. What is that? Oh yeah. Damn. So I finally got this panel off, and it turns out I guess these things are supposed to go back on the window. I thought I got these replaced or something, because I went to lift the glass up and it almost slammed down and almost fucking broke it. So I'm gonna see if I can put these back on while we're here. But anyway, kind of broke the little panel right here because I broke this little thing off, but that's all right. Here it is. It wouldn't come off for some reason. It looks like it's all rusted, so it might be why. But this is the little mechanism here, and this is what we want to focus on right here, is this latch here. So let's go ahead and see what we can do to close that again. There's a button right here. We're gonna press it. All right, so it looks like it moves that. So we can go down here. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay, it looks like it's missing some there, because this looks like it unlatched, and see what's going on with it. Very far it seems. So what I can do is, it looks like it wants, okay, looks like this part right here just needs to be extended. Get that ball out of here, get out of here. So that might need to be extended. Okay. All right. So if we can extend this part, that'd be nice. But let's see if I could take these off real quick. Sorry, my head's in the way, and that thing just got caught right in my hair, and that kind of hurt a little bit. All right, guys, so instead of me doing that washer idea, I don't know if I said it. So what I did first was, my dumbass decided to grab some electrical tape, wrap it around the threads of the screws, and try putting it on there, and unfortunately that didn't work. But I had a pair of pliers, and I decided to grab the little latch. Oh my God, it actually looks perfect for a pair of pliers. I went ahead, just bent them out. I had to like kind of like push that in there really good, but now it latches perfectly fine. So now let's go ahead and see what we can do with these things here. I'm not sure if I'm able to do anything with it tonight, because it looks like they're pretty simple to put on, but if they're that simple to put on, why are they still off? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go and see what I can do with that, and I'm gonna continue right now real quick. So see what we can do. Stick. Okay, I really feel like it's not supposed to go that high. So I think there might be something on here I would have to adjust. I think it has something to do with this right here, because it does go down, but I feel like if I go like the whole thing flexes, and I feel like if I were to flex it all the way, it's gonna crack it again. So let me see, maybe I can figure out something right here. All right. See if I can get it down with these. I'm gonna take these off and see if I can. Alright, got the back on here. It's like sitting flush. We're gonna go ahead and close it. Pop this open. Now that I gotta fix. Job. That looks more professional than the tape job, but and that was just with a pair of pliers. So yep, can now latch it closed, and now I can get rid of all this tape residue, which I'll spare you guys that part because I end up just cutting this here. But this thing is, oh my god, it's like glue, it's like chewing gum. Like it literally, look at this. So anyway, got that part fixed. Now next thing I just need to do is get the top part, and I need to get the little bars to hold this piece up. And after I get that done, the back door should be complete. For these doors now, what I want to do is I need to fix this here. As you can see, I can't open it up on this side, but if I use this side, it's all perfectly fine. But trying to lift it up from this side, because people usually get to the car and they like, it's locked, I can't open the door, but you have to like go all the way to the right and pull it apart. It's really weird. So I also want to fix this here, and I want to spray paint these here, or probably get these replaced since it's coming off. So after I get that done, should be all set. And yeah, also what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna see if I can maybe get new door panels, because I know I have to replace this here. Well, I want to put this here so it's not right in your ear, you know, because that is really disturbing for me. It makes my ears go ah. But yeah, so there you guys go. Oh, and definitely gonna replace that too. So anyways, at least we got that fixed for now. I'll see y'all later. I'm out. Just out of curiosity, let's see how bad that back rattles. Into a mountain, damn man, don't you compare me, 'cause there ain't nobody near me. They don't see me, but they hear me. They don't feel me, but they feel me. I'm ill. Oh, that's definitely a lot more.